Hello everybody, welcome to iBlockchain channel. In this video you will learn something really amazing. You will learn how to create your own token creator platform. By this platform you can earn a lot of money. Okay, let's say a live demo. You can go to tokenscreator.org. This is a live demo. Your token creator platform will be exactly like that. The users can create any type of tokens. The users can create tokens on Binance Smart Chain, Ethereum, Polygon, Avalanche, Phantom, and also on Smart Chain Testnet and Gorilla Testnet. Okay, how to do that? Of course, when the users create the tokens, you will pay fee. You will get 50% of this fee will send directly to your wallet. Okay, how to do that free? Just go to the 0xfactory.com and here from the left side menu click dApps to download the platform. Here you can find the platform tokens creator. It is completely free. Just click download now. You will download it immediately. Just a very small file about 1 megabyte. Okay, let's open this file. This is our downloaded file, tokenscreator.zip. Just extract this file. Click this folder, you will find some files. Of course, you can replace the image files by your files. This is a fav icon. This is the icon file. You can change it to your own file. Also, the logo file you can find here. This is the logo file. You can change this by replacing the logo file by your file. You can replace this logos and this images by your own logo file. Okay, what else you want to do? You have to set some configuration. You'll find here a data.json file. Open this file by any text editor. It is just a JSON file. Okay, I will open it by text editor. Here you can find in the first item the fee wallet. Change this wallet by your wallet. This wallet will receive 50% of the commission. When a user creates a token by your platform, he will pay fee. 50% of this fee will send to this wallet. So replace this wallet by your own wallet. Here you will find the fees for every network. If you wanted to change it to another values, it's okay. For example, this is BSC stacks. This is mean the fees. Okay, this big number means 0.03 BNB. Okay, but these values written here in we, so that you will find it a very big values, but actually this equal 0.03 BNB. Also here in the same Ethereum, the same, this means 0.005 Ethereum, and the other network like that. If you wanted to increase this value, it's okay, you can increase it, but don't decrease it. Just increase it or leave it like that. You will receive 50% of this fee when the users create tokens. Okay, and here scroll down until find Twitter. You can change this by your Twitter account, and Facebook the same, and Telegram the same. So you only need to edit this file, put here your wallet, and if you like to change the fees, if you like to increase it a little bit, it's okay, you can do that. And here you can change the social links to your own links, Twitter and Facebook and Telegram. After that, save this file and upload all these files to your web hosting. Nothing else. Just upload the files to your web hosting. The platform will working 100%. That is all, nothing more. Thanks for watching, and I hope a good luck for all, and goodbye.